I'm pleased to announce the release of my 2 mountain paintings paint-along. The paint-along contains 2 complete painting tutorials. This is the subject of the first mountain scene, and this is the subject of the second mountain scene. During the paint-along, we'll go through the planning stages for both of these subjects, doing thumbnail sketches and value studies. We'll practice mixing all the colors used throughout the paint-along in both the exercises and the finished paintings. We'll also create color panels as part of the exercise. After we complete the color panel, we'll go through 4 progressive skill block exercises. I'll show how I set up my palette before I begin painting. After we plan the composition and go through the skills exercises, we'll begin the painting tutorials. This is the first of the 2 painting tutorials. This is the second painting tutorial. In both tutorials, we'll follow a logical progression of layering that we practice in the skill exercises. And that's a short preview of the 2 mountain paintings paint-along, which contains over 5 hours of video. This new course is currently available in the paint-along area of my online learning center. To learn more, you can click on the box on the screen, or you can find the link in the description.